Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to give you a quick tip on how you can quickly go back to the top of the page or go back to the first page on any app. So let's say if you are using a Note app or in Safari or any other app, it doesn't matter which app you are using. So here I will open up the Notes app as an example. So here you can see I'm going through my document. And if I want to quickly go back to the top of the page, what you want to do is just tap on this top corner. That will quickly take you back to the top of the page. So here we try in Safari. So I go down and tap on the top. That will take me straight to the top of the page or the first page. And that's it. So it's quite straightforward. It work with any other apps as well. Let's see if we can try it with, say, settings. So here in settings, I scroll all the way down, and if I tap on it, that will quickly take me back to the top of the settings page. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.